Greetings, travelers and dishwasher aficionados. Our little chore here is to replace this dishwasher with this new dishwasher. Dishwashers. Tips, some dishwasher tips. When you pick this up at the big box store, bring you a knife and some tape and open it up in the store. Take all that up. We're looking for scratches and dents. You want to do this at the store. You don't want to bring this thing all the way to the job and then you see a big dent and you have to take it back. We're not too concerned about the sides. We do want to make sure it works once we get it in. The dishwasher has 4 components you need to worry about or learn about. First is the water. Dishwashers are fed with hot water only. You can see in here where our hookup is. Right back here we have the hose coming from the dishwasher, and it's got a couple of valves here. You shut those off, and that cuts the water off to the dishwasher. Second is the electrical. Under the dishwasher, you'll find a connection. There's plenty of YouTube videos on how to do all this, but under the dishwasher, either in the front or the back, I'll pull this out. You'll see where the electricity is hooked up. There'll be 3 wires, positive, neutral, and a ground. And we're just going to swap this out. You can turn off the breaker so we don't have wandering electricity going on. It's not 220 or anything, it's just 110. So look on your breaker box for 110 breaker. Now here's the third thing, is the drain or discharge. They call it a discharge hose. And this hose here currently right now has water in it. And the idea with these hoses is either inside the cabinet where the dishwasher is, or on this side, you want to get this hose coming out of the wall up here. Excuse me. Get the hose to come out of the cabinet as high as you can go. It should be right in here. So from the dishwasher, it's coming back and it's going up, and then it's got a downhill shot to the drain. The pump pushes it up immediately, and then gravity sends it, and it flows much freer than coming through the bottom, like this one, coming through the bottom like this one, and then makes its incline or uphill over here. So bring it all the way up from the cabinet, from out of the cabinet, and so it has a downhill. Once it's in this cabinet, it's downhill to the drain. And this particular drain attaches to the food, what do they call it? Food processor? No, it's a garbage disposal. Okay, and it's garbage disposals come with a little snout here, and some have a little cap, and you use them or you don't use them. You break out that cap and use this for your drain for the dishwasher. So there's a dishwashing waste is coming up and it goes into the disposal, and it could be ground up some more or whatever, but eventually makes it out this drain and then into your sink connections. Okay, we got water, electrical, and drain. Oh, there's a fourth one. And with this particular counter, pretty critical. This is a granite countertop. I'm not touching it. I'm not going to go near that granite countertop. But on your dishwashers, normally there's brackets at the top, and they would mount up into the countertop. No, not on this one. We're not doing that. So you put the brackets on the sides and mount into the cabinet on the sides. And this allows you to open the door without pulling the whole thing out. It has to be mounted so that the door will open and close without moving the whole. If you just threw this in and didn't mount it, every time you open a dishwasher, you'd be pulling the whole unit. So on this particular setup, we're going to mount from the sides right into the cabinet, and that's going to stabilize our dishwasher. So those 4 things, plus check the front of your new dishwasher. Basically, dishwashers all work pretty good, but the high-end dishwashers are quiet. That's what people like. They like that quiet dishwasher, and it's still going to clean. Even if you have a cheap dishwasher and it's noisy, it's going to clean anyways. But the idea about an expensive dishwasher is that they're quiet. You're not going to hear it in the other room. Okay, we're going to get on this. I don't know if we'll come back to it, but that's basics. If you want to see how to really do it, there's YouTube channels that show you undoing the water, and doing electrical, and doing the drain. But that's your 4 basics on a dishwasher. The reason I love doing a dishwasher is all the work is done on the floor. You're laying on your back, you're laying on your side, and it's clean, it's cool, it's warm, it's not outside, it's not in the sun. It's a wonderful job, and it's simple tools, and that's it. So we hope you enjoy doing your dishwasher. All right, from St. Petersburg, Florida. It's your coastal. See ya.